Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually sign on the back of our envelope here in Microsoft Word, right? So we're going to click the blank. Very important. So sometimes you may be actually put in a letter in an envelope I want to write on it to who it may concern. Instead of use the pen and write it, you can actually do it through the Microsoft Word here, right? And I'm going to add it to the document to see exactly how it looks like. So in order for that process to begin, the first thing you wanted to do, so notice here, up here you have the tab and all of that. You're going to click on the mailing. When you click on the mailing right up here, the mailing tab, you notice it's the word envelope right here. So you're going to click on the word envelope. So when you click on the word envelope, you see exactly what it is or how you're going to actually sign up. Because you notice you have a return address and you have the delivery address. So very important. All right. If you notice, you bring up this look at here right here, say envelope. Right up here to show the delivery address, right? So I'm going to put in the delivery address up here, so right here, so the return address. I notice right here, show different here. So I'm going to go through that particular here. All right, so the delivery address now, I will put 35 right here. GM. And I'm going to put that right here. Good. So this is the delivery address. So this is the return address, right? So definitely, definitely, let me correct this right here. Right? So definitely this though. So for instance, if you just want to go on the deliver it alone, you don't have to put anything in the return. Right? So next thing again I wanted to do, if you notice the envelope right here, so you're going to come right here. Now when I click on it, now it bring up this look in the right here. Just show you, it depends. Face up or face down. You notice? So look carefully on these. And this is exactly what you're going to actually place it in the printer. You have to ensure that the printer is on. Right? So if you notice, it show you exactly how you can actually place it within the printer in order for it to face either face up or face down. I notice this here, so third. Now that's very important. So anyone you click on, you have to ensure that you put it in the complete the printer just the same. Right? So for instance, I want this one. I actually put it directly in the middle up and then I press OK right here. Notice I press OK right here. So notice it right here. So if you're gonna print it straight, you just click it right here. But I'm going to add it to the document because I want to see exactly how it's gonna look when I print it. All right, so I'll click add to the document. All right, so if you notice right here, this is exactly how it actually look like right here. Right, very important here. So you see exactly how it looks. So when I print it, they actually right in the center right here. So very important. So this is exactly how you can actually do it and all of that. So let me go back again. All right, I'm gonna. All right, so this is a delivery address. All right, so I'm going to put something in the return one and make it exactly how it look like. Yes. Yes. Very important. Important right here. So if I come like that, I'm going to change right here. No. All right, if you notice right up here, notice what we have now. Yes, it's very important right here. So notice. So if I when you actually sending out a resume, I want to do it on the envelope, I can actually do the same thing. It's like maybe a attachment to a company, you can actually do the same thing. So this is exactly how it look like. So let me bring it in a little closely so that I can actually get a better look on it. And you go back again and carry it back a little. All right. If you notice right there, very important that I can actually see carefully. Yes, so that is one of the way you can actually do within this particular Microsoft Word document. You just can simply come like this and click on the file. If it's suited right there, you click on print. Just the same, but if you notice, click on print, you notice it's way up here, so and all that. So just click print, and there you go. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.